This video is on how to reinstall built-in apps deleted from iOS devices like iPhone and iPad. It's actually very easy. All you need to do is open App Store and then download and reinstall the default deleted app. But wait, don't leave this video right now because I'm gonna give you some very useful info which you need to know before going through the App Store. Okay, as an example, I'm deleting my default mail app from my iPhone. We know iOS mail app is a pre-installed app. Now I'll open App Store and then search for the mail app. Now tip number 1. Remember, you need to be very specific when you are searching for a default app. I mean, when you are searching for an iOS built-in app, you have to use the exact same name of the built-in app name. For example, we are searching for the mail app. Now if we use keyword email, we might end up with wrong apps. In this particular case, we need to use keyword mail instead of email, okay? Now tip number 2. Once found, you need to double check you are restoring the stock iOS app. First, check the logo carefully. Make sure the logo is exactly same of the default app logo. Then go inside and check for the developer name, whether it is Apple or not. These steps are very important because some clever developers often market their apps with nearly identical logos and names of the popular apps. So just don't get fooled, okay? Well, to make your life easy, in description of this video I provided you a list of almost all iOS default app names. Also I provided you App Store download links. You can browse any of these iOS default app links from your iOS device like iPhone or iPad. If you see I didn't provide you any default app names like Health, Safari, Clock, then don't blame me. In fact, you can delete any of these apps from your iOS device. In case you don't see these apps, this can be simply because from settings you might accidentally covered up these apps. In reality, you can't actually delete any of these apps. Therefore, there is no way to download these apps from App Store at all. Guys, if you liked my video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Peace.